Are you seeking ways to unlock the power of your subconscious mind? If so, you're in luck. In this video, we will explore the teachings of Neville Goddard, examining how his methods can assist you in accessing your subconscious mind and unleashing your hidden potential to manifest your deepest desires. We will delve into various topics, including utilizing positive countermeasures to thrive in athletics, employing motivation techniques to establish and accomplish goals, and employing strategies to influence your subconscious mind. By the conclusion of this video, you will possess a comprehensive comprehension of how to tap into your subconscious mind and attain success. So, let's commence our journey. Welcome back to our channel. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us create more videos like this for you. Now, let's dive in. The subconscious mind is a powerful secondary system that orchestrates everything in your life. From your beliefs and memories to your skills and experiences, it stores all the information that your conscious mind cannot. It acts as your guidance system, tirelessly monitoring the information from your senses, searching for both dangers and opportunities, and communicating them to your conscious mind. The subconscious mind is like a little voice in your head, controlling almost everything you do. While scientists are still unraveling its mysteries, one thing is clear. It is responsible for vital tasks, such as breathing, processing information from our senses, and so much more. It's as if you have a wild monkey running around in your brain, sometimes bringing you useful information, and sometimes causing chaos. But here's the good news. You can give your subconscious mind a purpose. For example, when you meditate, you train your brain to control your breath. Initially, your conscious mind takes charge, but eventually, your subconscious mind takes over, and you don't even have to think about it anymore. Scientists still don't know everything about the subconscious, but they do know it is responsible for tasks such as breathing and processing information from our senses. By understanding how Neville Goddard's teachings work, we can unlock the power of our subconscious mind. The key to success lies in meditating regularly. By doing so, we train our brains to control breath, and eventually, this task becomes controlled by the subconscious instead of conscious thoughts. This helps us create a connection between our conscious thinking pattern and what lies in our unconscious, enabling us to understand ourselves better. In order to program positive messages into your subconscious, emotions are key. Only genuine thoughts backed up with strong emotion will stay there. Visualization techniques are also useful when it comes to reprogramming your brain. Use images that inspire you or draw out memories from your past that make you feel good about yourself or life in general. Positive affirmations also help improve self-esteem and strengthen confidence levels, which allows one to achieve their goals easier than before. Now let's address one of the biggest obstacles standing in your way: negative self-talk. This toxic habit can hold you back from achieving your goals. When you constantly tell yourself negative things, you're essentially programming your subconscious mind to believe them. Remember, your subconscious mind is like a guardian angel, always listening. One must become aware of their negative inner monologue in order to reprogram themselves for success within their subconscious thoughts. By understanding how Neville Goddard's teachings work, we can unleash the power of our own minds, making a positive transformation from within. Every time you say something negative about yourself or your life, your subconscious mind takes note. And when those negative thoughts are accompanied by strong emotions like sadness, disappointment, regret, or self-loathing, your subconscious mind takes them as orders. It goes to work to make those negative thoughts a reality. So ask yourself, can you afford to let negative self-talk enter your mind? The resounding answer is no. But don't worry. There's a solution. The countering technique. The countering technique is simple yet powerful. Every time a negative thought enters your mind, counter it with an extremely positive thought. Let's say you have an important presentation coming up, and you start to think, I am going to embarrass myself in front of all those people. Stop right there and counter that thought with, no, I'm going to be so outstanding that the audience will applaud me for 5 minutes. This technique can be applied to any negative thought, big or small. The key is to counter it with an incredibly positive thought that you truly believe in. Remember, the truth often lies somewhere in between. But by countering negative thoughts with extreme positivity, you're reprogramming your subconscious mind to believe in your potential for success. By developing a strong desire for our goals, we set our subconscious mind on the task and open channels for information that will lead us there. The best athletes become successful because of their burning desire to be number one. They are willing to do whatever it takes to get there despite any setbacks or obstacles in their way. Using Neville Goddard's teachings on positive countering, we can focus on manifesting our dreams while eliminating any doubt or fear from our mindsets. Visualization techniques combined with affirmations and meditation will also play an important role in helping us achieve success in athletics by unlocking the power of our subconscious minds. One of Neville Goddard's most effective methods was bridge burning. This involves cutting off all other avenues for success as it forces your subconscious mind into action. This technique can be used with any goal you set for yourself. Visualizing the bridge being burned helps keep motivation high as there is no other option. Another motivational technique involves finding what energizes you when working on your goal, whether it be positive people or motivational videos. When we focus our energy on something that drives us forward towards our goal, we gain momentum which can carry us through any difficulty along the way. Neville's another most important teachings is about cultivating faith, love, and sex in the subconscious mind. This empowers any thought that enters through the autosuggestion principle of communication between conscious and subconscious minds, helping us spot opportunities easier when the threshold for conscious perception is set properly with tasks given by ourselves. Finally, the reading aloud technique reinforces goals with a powerful emotional charge by visualizing oneself already in possession of the desire. This technique has been used successfully by many people, including Neville Goddard himself. Start by selecting one goal each day that is important for reaching success. Then read it aloud 3 times while focusing on how good it feels when accomplished. This will help reprogram your brain for success. Friends, these techniques may seem simple enough, but require persistence and dedication over time if they are truly going to influence one's subconscious mind. If things don't go as planned at first, try not to be discouraged. Have backup plans ready just in case something doesn't work out along the way so that progress isn't stalled for too long before moving forward again, even more empowered than ever before. Lastly, have faith in yourself and believe with all certainty that what we set out to accomplish can make all the difference between those who succeed and fail when looking to unlock their true potential through influencing their own subconscious minds. So don't forget this key ingredient when embarking on this journey. According to Neville Goddard, one must remain in a state of expectancy if they wish to manifest their desires. He recommended meditating on an idea or goal until it becomes so real that it feels as if it already exists. This will help attract what we want into our lives, as we will be sending out powerful vibrations that attract whatever matches them back towards us. If you have additional thoughts on this theory, feel free to share them in the comments section below this video. To stay updated with more inspiring, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for our channel. Thanks for watching this video till the end. May God bless you in your manifestation journey.